Hello, good morning, Mary. Thank you for taking time to speak with me. I understand you've been experiencing some headache recently. Can you tell me about what you have feeling? To begin, could you tell me a bit about your lifestyle and daily routine, especially anything that might have changed recently?
Good morning po. I'm student po kasi. This past few days po, madalas po sumasakit yung ulo ko. Kasi po, ang tulog ko lang is 3 to 4 hours. Dahil po sa mga school activities, assignments, and preparing po para sa exam. And then, nape-pressure din po ako.
Thank you for sharing that. Now, I understand you've been experiencing some headaches. Could you tell me more about the headaches? What they feel like and what they usually happen?
Yes, it's been getting headaches almost every day po. Usually afternoons or evenings. They feel like pressure around my temples and forehead, sometimes turning into throbbing pain.
Can you describe the pain of the headache?
It feels like tightness or pressure, almost like something is squeezing my head. Sometimes it turns into a dull throbbing pain.
When did the headache first start and how do they begin?
The headache started a month ago. They usually begin gradually, not too suddenly. It mostly when I've been studying for a while or staring at a screen.
Where exactly do you feel the pain?
The pain is mostly in my forehead, but sometimes it extends to the back of my head or neck if I've been sitting for too long.
How long do the headache usually last?
They last anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on how busy or stressed I am.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how intense is the pain?
I would say it's about 4 or 5, sometimes if it's really bad, 6. It's not unbearable, but enough to make it hard to focus.
Are there any specific patterns or triggers that make your headache worse?
Yes, the headaches usually get worse when I'm stressed, especially before exams. If I haven't had enough sleep or hydration, or if I've been on my laptop for a long time, the pain gets stronger.
Thank you, Mary. It sounds like a combination of factors like stress, lack of sleep, and prolonged screen time could be contributing to your headache. Now, how do you typically manage the pain when you feel a headache coming on?
I usually drink some water, a short nap, or sometimes I take a pain reliever if it's bad.
Thank you for sharing all the information. Based on what you've told me, I'd recommended some strategies to manage your headaches, like improving hydration, reducing screen time, and getting more sleep. If the headache continues or worsen, we could look into further treatments or the options. Thank you.
Okay po, I hope this changes help.